pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, Cheap Fairview Local, and Long Distance Movers Near Me. Long-distance relocations are difficult to pull off, but we are capable of doing them. We have capable movers, standard pieces of equipment, and the right attitude to ensure that your move is successful. We also boast an excellent relationship with the authorities in charge of the relocation process to provide extra security for all our relocations. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour for our local moves, and with this affordable charge, you can be sure that you will receive value for your money. We have hardworking and licensed movers who are familiar with the terrain of Fairview to get you to your location even through the bustling roads and towns. Ask around. We have the best local movers in the field. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fairview moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.